Hi everyone, good morning, welcome to AeginaCraft. I'll give you new perspectives. The shop. Anyway, today is another working day, and I have a bunch of shit to do, but I decided I'm gonna share some with you, like, again, join me in the morning making, join me in the mess, join me in the chaos on Epoxy resin workshop. Anyway, so this is what we have today on the You asked me last time we were making together that to show you how did the seashells come out. This is how they came out. They look perfect. Let me bring them out to the light to actually show you what's what. Cool, huh? Anyway, so these are the seashells. I haven't sent it off the ocean wave and the other stuff, but it's in my backpack now, so I'm gonna bring it home and work on it. I'm working on another project here where I experiment with spray paint and laser on wood, and so far so good. But we'll see how it comes out in the end. And now I'm gonna go up because I found something very interesting. So, as I was working away, this piece of clock face. Now, this clock face is one of my earlier templates I made with my laser engraver, and I was curious if I can use it for something. And I decided that I want to make it an ocean wave clock. So I mixed up some jewel casting resin about 20 minutes ago, and is now starting to set off. It's warming up very nicely. And I mixed up some turquoise, teal. Okay, let's just call it teal. I mixed up some teal, some clear. This is going off very nicely as well. And some white with titanium dioxide powder. And I will add a drip of alcohol in it. If you watch this video, please send down in the comment section that I have to buy alcohol. Be my shopping list today, thank you. So I'm gonna add some alcohol to it, just thin it up enough that it will set a little bit later than these two for the perfect ocean waves. So the plant, like I made this clock face. sorry for that. So I made this clock face as one of my first ones, but the problem is it's like bowing this way. So these are the two lowest points of it, and it's not a problem if this is the lowest point, because what I can do here is just lift up this side, wait for it to get set, and start pouring on this side, right? And if I start pouring on this side, then I can actually make the wave happen pretty easily. And now I have some customers, so I'll be back in a minute. Oh, this is what happens when you actually do something time critical and you have to be on the dot. You have customers coming in. I had to send them away. I had to tell them to leave right now because I don't have time for selling stuff. No, I was joking. It was just two lovely Russian girls coming in, have a look around. All right. Just a few more minutes. Drip more alcohol in this. I want to postpone it. I want to postpone the setting off as much as I can. So I'm just trying to thin up the white so it's more liquidy. This alcohol will evaporate from it. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, this is getting sticky. but it's not as thick as I want it to be, and I need to be patient with this one because I can't build a dam around it because the edge is serrated. So if I just put the tape around it, it's just gonna do that of the holes underneath. As you can hear, I double espresso myself up this morning again, but this time I've done it on an accident because instead of my teaspoon, I used a tablespoon for my everyday frappe. And if you want to know how my frappe is made, I actually have a video of that on the channel. Go find it after watching this one. I just checked, I made like 114 videos already. Dude, I'm churning these videos out like there is no tomorrow. Dude, I'm out of alcohol, like bad. I'm down bad. Yeah. Anyway. In the next week, good morning. Καλά, εσείς. Πολύ λίγο ελληνικά, φίλε μου. No, thank you. So, where was I? Before I got really interrupted. Yeah, so in the coming weeks, I'm gonna do some decorating work and construction work and house repair works and do some exterior stuff. I don't know, do you guys want me to make a video on that? Like, on the stuff I'm doing when I'm not doing AeginaCraft? It's kind of crafting, like sorting out falling walls and repairing this and doing that, and I don't know. But that's basically what I'm gonna do. Half a day, and the other half I'm gonna be here in the shop trying to sell stuff and make a living. Yeah, this is starting to go critical. Look, it's just about to go critical. So I think I'm just gonna start pouring this shit. Okay, let's go. What are you gonna do? Blue. Oh my god, this is dark blue, like blue. Okay, dude, I need you to spread. I need you to spread your legs. This is dark. This is darker than I thought it's gonna be. It's usually not this dark. That's interesting. That is very interesting. I'm using a I think it's beech plywood, which is kind of reddish hue, and this is extremely dark green. I mean teal. All right. We're gonna work with this. I want to get rid of this droplet here, so I'm just gonna smooshing. You know, I think it's thick enough to hold. I'm gonna hit it with this clear. All right. This is gonna be a mess to clean up, to be honest. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm trying to go as slow as possible. All right. Now I have the more liquidy white. I'm just gonna give it a good stir, not to have particles in it. So here we go, and now extremely thin. Okay, I did the thing. Now I need my... Okay, I moved it. Now, you guys said I should use a long neck kitchen lighter, but that's not hot enough for me. And I prefer blowtorch to create the cells. I have more control. Fuck, this is looking good. Dudes, if I can keep this not running down, English, oh my god, please don't run down completely. This, if I could keep it this way right now, this would be the perfect pour I ever done. But this will run down on the edge, and I don't know how much, and I rather not fuck with it. And I immediately start to fuck with it. Anyway, I'm gonna pour this in the mold so I can't fuck with it anymore. We're just gonna let gravity do its thing. I'm pouring it into my pyramid mold holder. Okay, and that's that, really. Now on, from here on out, we're just gonna wait. Wait and see. That's it, not touching it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it as it is, and yeah, we get back to this when it's cured. Hey gang, so it's been about 5 hours since we poured the clock, and yeah, I think this is the end of the video. Let me show you what we got. There she is, in all her glory. That is how she turned out, and it looks great. It looks magnificent. So yeah, that's for that. I had a lady just coming in, and she bought all my coasters, sand coasters, and she bought basically a bunch of coaster sets. So next video, I have to cook up some coasters. I think I'm gonna hit all of the molds I have, and we're gonna do a big batch of beach sand coasters. So tune in for that. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to support the channel, you can do it on the links below in the description. And yeah, I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!